Welcome back. We're sitting in Quartzsite, and though you may not see it, look at the dust on the trees in the background. There is a massive dust storm coming towards us. As you can see, it's so thick it has blocked out the sun. Don't worry about the spot that's on my glass. But anyway, so we're going to get hit with this dust storm here in about probably 5 to 10 minutes. It's getting closer, moving along pretty good. We've had some pretty high winds out here. So, and we've got, let me move this a little slowly. You can see it over there. It's creeping. It's on an angle. I think it's coming out of the west-northwest is where I believe it's coming from. And if you look, bird feeder, way over there, you can see that the trees in the back are starting to disappear. And the mountains don't exist. There's mountains over there behind that dust, but trust me, they don't exist. Let me take you over to the other side of the house for a minute. Or the trailer, as it were.
Don't show them the dirty dishes.
On tape, thanks. Anyway, we got some pretty good winds blowing out here. 30 to 40 mile an hour gusts. And I don't know, you might be able to make it out. There's a mountain. That mountain is about 8 miles away. And that there's dust just flying all over the place. So, we're going to sit here and ride it out, see how exciting it gets. We'll let you know. Oops. A little bit ago I said there was a mountain about 8 miles over there. If you notice anything, it's disappeared. The whole mountain range is gone. They're just obliterated by this sandstorm. Pretty soon, it'll come flying down through here pretty awesome. Mother Nature at her finest. As long as it doesn't rain, it'll turn everything into a mud hole. Yeehaw. Everything's pretty much obliterated at this time. I imagine visibility's probably down to half a mile on this, if that much. And yeah, she's coming this way. I don't know, it doesn't look like it's going to be that terrible. It might have already passed us a little bit on the other side of the trailer. We're still going to get some of it, so just check it out. Pardon the camera. And that's a picture of my wife freaking out over there. Normally they'd have the flag out, but we all know how that's going to work out here in a few minutes. So stay tuned; it gets better. As you're watching this video, make a note of where some of the larger trees are, like that one there, and some other stuff out here. Because what I will do is when this all settles down, I will take a video of just exactly what I'm showing you now with clear skies. Let me take you over to this side so you can pick some places. Just make a mental note of, oh yeah, that tree there, you know, and a couple bushes out there, and you got the gully, wash, area, whatever you want to call the damn thing. And out in the distance, you don't see anything. Tomorrow, hopefully this will all be settled down, and we can show you some of it as it is when on a nice clear day. Alright, so in the middle of this wonderful storm, we run out of propane. So anyway, I gotta go outside. So come on, you can go outside with me. We'll change out the tank together. See how this is. See down there? Oh, you can see it. Van right out there, about a quarter mile away. Our neighbors, they're a little bit invisible. So anyway, oh yeah, shit to do. I am wearing a mask. Thank God. COPD and stuff. So, I know you can hear this. And clears up, I'll entertain you with what it really looks like. Now I'll see if I can get the door open without losing a finger. So the National Weather Service decided to send us this little tidbit of information. I'll let you hold there and read it for a few minutes. Bless you. And yeah, we're under a dust advisory. Hey, go figure. Anyway, it's only for till 8:15, so we'll see what happens. Okay, it's still windy as the devil, and yesterday was crazy, but now you can see the dust is gone, and now you can see the mountains that you couldn't see yesterday. Unbelievable. And out there, the mountains there too. None of them could be seen. Like I say, the wind is still absolutely insane. I think I pointed out that band down there. Now you can see it. But yeah, it was a rough day. Bad breathing day too. So hey, thanks for watching, and give us a like, subscribe to us, tell your friends about us, and leave a comment. We'll talk to you later. Adios.